Top 5 Best Low-Profile Mechanical Keyboards. Are you looking for a good low-profile mechanical keyboard? In this video, I will show you the best low-profile mechanical keyboards. This list is according to my hours of research and based on my opinion. If you want more detailed information and updated pricing on the products to be mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description box below. Now, let's get started. 5th, Keychron K6 68 Key Mechanical Keyboard. An innovative keyboard at 65%, the Keychron K6 mechanical keyboard is compact and very portable. It comes with an aluminum frame and 68 keys. For connections, this device comes with Bluetooth, which can connect up to 3 devices and easily switch among them. The keyboard can be used for light gaming or fit in the office/home due to compatibility with Broadcom Bluetooth chipset that allows you to connect to a smartphone, iPad, or PC. Besides, the keyboard has a USB Type-C wired mode connection. 4th, Cooler SK630 Master Mechanical Keyboard. For maintaining a low profile, this Cooler Master Mechanical Keyboard gets you going. It is slim and features all the signature features of Cooler Master, including RGB lighting and on-the-fly controls. For enhancement, the keyboard adds Cherry MX low-profile switches in a 10 keyless format, clutter-free. The Cherry MX low-profile switches reduces travel and actuation distance with the extra flat keycaps, giving you precise and durability with the slim and elegant look of a minimalist chiclet keyboard. 3rd, HAVIT HV-KB390L Mechanical Keyboard. The mechanical keyboard by HAVIT is extra thin, lightweight, and uses the latest Kalo low-profile blue switches, making it an ideal keyboard for gaming. The keyboard has a compact design, and at just 530 grams, it's lighter and thinner than traditional mechanical keyboards. The latest Kalo blue switch is 11.5 mm in height and features a 6 mm ultra-thin suspended keycap. Furthermore, the 3 mm key travel gives it a unique mechanical feel. 2nd, Cooler Master SK621 Mechanical Keyboard. Cooler Master SK621 Mechanical Keyboard is an envy of many with its elegant, sleek, and slim design that makes it ultra-portable. The keyboard is wireless and 60% of a full-sized keyboard. Its brushed aluminum design makes the top plate slim, which gives it a minimalistic design for better functionality when combined with the 10 keyless design. You can choose between the 2 keycap sets, the flat and slightly contoured and the traditional profile. The traditional profile keycap gives you a familiar look and feel. The Cherry MX low-profile switches offer an actuation point and reduced travel distance with the same durability and precision. With its flat contoured and slim keycaps, and the new Cherry MX low-profile switches, this low-profile keyboard is able to deliver on performance without compromising on the appearance. The LEDs keep the light show going using the surrounding light bars per key backlighting with limitless customization. 1st, CORSAIR K70 RGB MK.2 RAPIDFIRE. This keyboard has an all-new, slimline design that effortlessly fits into a modern desktop setup. It weighs 2.75 pounds, comes with a durable aircraft-grade anodized aluminum chassis, and a radiant per-key RGB lighting that offers this keyboard an extended gaming lifetime. There's a detachable rubberized wrist and a set of gray textured keycaps for MOBA or FPS players, which makes this keyboard the best for League of Legends. Right above the numerical keypad are elevated control keys that make it easier to reach with your right hand. The X-shaped channel runs around the keyboard's body, allowing routing of cables under, giving your desk a clean look. The layout features the standard 104 key design with raised keys, leaving some space between the frame and keycap. This allows a more prominent display of RGB lighting and easy removal of debris that might settle underneath the keycaps. To adjust backlight brightness or switch profiles, this keyboard has physical buttons on the upper left. Using a long braided cable that terminates 2 USB-A inputs, the frame is tied to the desktop. The intuitive and powerful CORSAIR IQ software enables dynamic RGB lighting control, full system lighting synchronization, and sophisticated macro programming, making it compatible with other CORSAIR components. All this makes the keyboard the most ideal keyboard for low-profile mechanical gaming. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if this helped you out to choose the best low-profile mechanical keyboards for you. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comments below and subscribe for more content like this. Hope you'll have a great day.